Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto right here on MEXC. And if you want to buy crypto, we can simply click right here on our symbols and then we see right here futures. There is no way how we can search for or where we have a list for all the crypto. But if you want to buy a crypto, you can also search right here in the list. And if you want to search for a specific crypto, you can search also right here for Deutsch or Sol or Ethereum. And then you can decide right here which one you want to use. So let's click now here on Ethereum. If you want to buy Ethereum right now, we can simply go here to market, fill in how much we want to buy. So let's buy 1K. Then we can also put a take profit trigger price on it or a stop loss trigger price. But for now, you can do your own risk management. But if you want to buy it, just click right here on open long, click on confirm. And then right now we created ourselves a position right here on Ethereum. So this is how you can buy crypto right here on MEXC. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.